Hi, I thought I'd make this video just to give you some useful tips on how to solder an Arduino Nano. So provided in the Arduino kit are these header pins, and these pins have a short side and a long side. So how I go about doing this is I put the long side into the breadboard, not all of the way, try not to push the pins out, and I just kind of let it sit there. On my breadboard, an Arduino will fit between column C to G, so I'm going to put my pins somewhere like so, and then I'm going to get my Arduino, which is already lightly soldered. Not all the pins are complete, but I can't take the solder out without pulling the pins out, so you can see that it's not completely soldered. I hope that you can faithfully see that. And either way, you place the Arduino on top of your pins, and I'd start with one pin on either side of the board. Now for any given pin, just hold a little bit of heat once your solder is on the pin, and you'll see the solder melt into this cone-like shape up against the pin. Now try not to expose the pin to too much heat, or you might damage your nice little breadboard. But for the most part, they can kind of take a little bit of heat. And I would highly recommend that you do this in a well ventilated area, because the bit of smoke that you can see coming off that is called flux. And I have an extractor fan running in my room with the windows open. Give myself a bit more solder. If this is your first time doing it, it might seem like a daunting task, but really all you're doing is applying heat to a low melting point metal and hoping it contacts on the pins and the Arduino's pads. So if I do a quick little view there, that looks pretty good to me. I don't think I missed any of them. That guy there doesn't look the best, so we're just going to apply a little bit of heat to him, and he's better. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.